How to create Ubisoft account. So if you want to create Ubisoft account, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and you can search for Ubisoft. And once you've searched, here you will have ubisoft.com on the first. Click on that search and you can click on visit website and it will take you to the website, right? So once it's take you to the website, you can go for the account option, which will be on the upper right. Click on that account, and here it will take you to the login page. So if you want to create your account, then you can go for create an account. But if you have already created, then you can simply log into your account. But if you have not created, then it will take you to create account page. And from here, you need to enter your email address on the first blank. So enter your email address. And once you enter your email address, you need to enter the same email address on the next blank. And once you've entered that, you need to create a password on the next blank. And once you enter your password or created your password, you can scroll down again. And here you need to enter username. So make sure to enter an available username. And once you enter your username, you need to enter your date of birth. Choose the day, month, and the year. And then click on this box so that you agree to the terms of use and the privacy policy. And then scroll down and go for create a Ubisoft account. And now you will get a 6-digit code to the email address that you have just entered. So you need to simply open up the mail. Here you will have the code, right? So simply copy the code and you can paste that code here. And once you've pasted, click on create account. And once you click on that, your account has been created. Now you can go for the profile on the upper right. And once you click on profile, here you will have your profile. So that's it. That's how you create your Ubisoft account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.